Hi. Hey, so I wanted to film a video on what I think is a sexy wet makeup look. I had this planned for a photo shoot I was going to do, but the photographer made a move on me and I did not want to sleep with him, and I told him that, so he ghosted me. Anyway, though, we're using Benefit Boing Hydrating Concealer because it's light coverage and it's just going to give us a little bit of something, and then some powder over top of it, the MAC Studio Fix powder, with some NYX Oil Primer just in the high points, the cheekbones, the forehead, the chin, the nose, like where I want to be wet looking. I'm using an Annabelle cream highlight stick. You can really use any liquid or cream. I really like this one though because it gives like a true wet look. And then I am just lightly filling in my eyebrows. I didn't want anything too structured for this. For the photos, I would have done something a bit more detailed, just because they would be up close of, you know, my face and things like that. But yeah, I was going to do like a long, oh, and I'm using a Phoera Magnificent Metals. It's honestly from Wish, and it's dope. So I'll leave the name of it down below, but they're pretty good. I don't know if they have like shit particles and whatever from, because like people always say that about Wish, but that's whatever. I'm using the Fenty Diamond Bomb and How Many Carats, because once again, wet. I was going to do the photos with like a long brown wet look hair, but this is Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. This really made me appreciate the Supreme Frost. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I really like them for the purpose of this. Using the Renaissance liner by Makeup Revolution. Any black eyeliner, like it's just black to blend the lashes in. I wanted the lashes to be, this is Lash Paradise by the way, but I wanted the lashes to be like droopy, sexy bedroom eyes. So I did pull them to the outer of my eye. I wouldn't normally do them so like falling off my eye type thing, I guess. I don't know. Do you know what I mean though? And this is the Glow Oil from Soul Body. And that's it, guys. I hope you really like it. Wet your hair, make it piecey, and you will be good to go if your photographer doesn't ghost you because you don't want to fuck them. Have a good day, guys. Bye.